We're gonna change the direction a little bit here, the content of the last 3 lectures will have to do with calculus now. Normally, when you think of a function, your function will only have a single variable like f of x is x squared here. However, it could be the case that your function has 2 or more variables, like what if my function is x squared plus y squared. This kind of function is called multi-variable function or a function of several variables. And normally, we're just gonna put all the variables that we have inside the parentheses after the name of the function here. Like in this case, I'm gonna say that f of x and y is x squared plus y squared. For example, if we think of the area of a circle, the area of a circle is just pi r squared. Notice that the value of this area depends on just one thing, which is the radius of the circle r. So if I want to compute the area of a circle, all I need to know is its radius. So if a circle has radius 3, then its area is going to be just pi times 3 squared. On the other hand, the area of a rectangle is going to be the width times the height. Notice that the area of a rectangle in this case actually depends on 2 things, which is both the width and the height. To find the area, I actually need to know both of these quantities. So, if I want to find the area of a rectangle with width 80 and height 50, then that area is just going to be 80 times 50, and that's going to be just 4,000. Now for the last part, well, you probably are familiar with this future value formula. The future value for an investment is going to be P times E to the RT, where my interest is compounding continuously. So the future value is going to depend on 3 things. It's going to depend on the present value, it's going to depend on the interest rate, and it's going to depend on how long that I invest. So if I invest $8,000 in an account that earns 5% interest rate for 7 years, then I can just go ahead and use this formula. The future value is going to be just 1,000 times e to the r, which is going to be 5 over 100 times t, which is 7.